This video is going to walk you through assigning products to an attribute template in Miva 10. Let's get back onto the catalog screen and then to the Attribute Templates tab. Find the template you want to use. Click the template name to open it and select the Products tab. Use the Filters menu to choose between displaying only assigned products, unassigned products, or both. You can also choose to view only active products or your entire catalog. Let's change it to only see active products. In order to assign products to your template, you can select a large number by clicking and dragging through the checkboxes to highlight them. Then use the Assign toggle button. You can remove items the same way by highlighting and clicking that button again. You can also individually turn items on and off by clicking the individual toggle switches. Let's take a look at the product that we have assigned by clicking on the product name. When you go to the Attributes tab, you'll see that the template is present and listed as an attribute template. Let's view the product, and here you can see the attribute options. This was just one way to assign your template to products. Let's take a look at the other way. You can assign templates to any product, including new ones you're just adding to the site, from within the product page itself. In your product page, go to the Attribute tab. Click on the ellipses button and choose Add Template. Find the template you'd like in the drop-down list, and notice that you have the option to add it as either a copy or a link. They behave a little differently. Let's take a look at the link option first. It has added the template just like it did in the first method. You can see that it's a template here. But what happens if you want to make a change to the options? Say we don't want to offer this shirt in large. Your only option is to edit the entire template. At that point, you're given a choice. Either edit the main template, which will change all other products that are also assigned, or you can turn the template into a copy. So, what is a template copy? That's your other option when adding an attribute template to a product. So let's remove this template and add it again, this time as a copy. Notice that now it doesn't show that you're using a template. Instead, you just have regular attributes. You can now freely edit your options without it affecting your base template. So let's remove this option and take a look at the product page. The attributes look the same, except the option we removed is now gone. Linked versus copied templates have their own pros and cons. For more details, take a look at the article that accompanies this video. For more Miva 10 guides and tutorials, see our YouTube channel and our blog.